Stocks our strategists feel are poised to deliver positive returns are featured now in their top stock picks of the week.
A tech company and an online retailer topped the picks this week. Dave Bartosiak, Nina Mishra here to fill us in on each one of them. Dave, we'll start with you. You have Micron Technology. They just reported earnings not long ago. We're sitting here on the 10th of October, and they reported already. So currently one of the darlings of the tech sector, right?
I think so. I think they're gonna come back to being one of those darlings of the tech sector, because they had it a little bit rough throughout the course of last year. And the easiest way to explain this is by taking a look at the price consensus and EPS surprise chart here on Zacks.com. So a meteoric rise for the stock throughout 2013 and 2014. And if you notice, it tracks very nicely with those earnings estimates creeping up. And then there was some problems with the DRAM pricing. It's one of the main chips that they make, as well as a manufacturing process that they were kind of converting over to that gave them a little bit more precision. So as a result, these earnings estimates came crashing down. But it looks like we've troughed and things are turning around with a few big earnings beats in a row this year, and a beat on revenue, and then now they're guiding higher for the next quarter. And I'm reading a lot of reports that are saying that the pricing on these DRAM chips, there's a lot of momentum in it right now because there's a huge demand for it, and Micron is the only US-based manufacturer of DRAM chips. So all that playing in their favor, and I think they are going to have a great last quarter of the year here.
Interesting. All right. So you see them as going upward for the foreseeable future. Nina, you're focused on Amazon, which is e-commerce giant.
Yes. So there are many reasons to like Amazon stock, I think. So they have this dominant position, of course, in the e-commerce industry. And I think because of this shipping and shopping infrastructure that they have created worldwide, their market share will continue to grow. So it is estimated that they have 60 million Prime subscribers as of now, and that number could reach 100 million by 2018, according to Morgan Stanley. And it's because people see so much, value in Prime membership. It's free shipping, 2-day free shipping on millions of items. Then you have access to Prime Video, Prime Music, Prime restaurant delivery, and then recently they added Prime Reading as well. So, and as this membership continues to grow, it is great for Amazon because Prime subscribers tend to spend a lot more on Amazon than non-members. And of course, then there is revenue from the cloud computing division, Amazon Web Services, which is growing exponentially. They have devices, and they are doing cutting-edge research in the areas of artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, and all that is going to drive growth in the coming years. So analysts have been really bullish on the stock. If you look at estimates, they have been surging, from the current Zacks consensus estimates for the current year and the next year are now 590 and 1070 from 577 and 1037 just 30 days ago. And their ESP currently is 5.81. And this is our proprietary tool for predicting whether the stock could deliver a positive surprise. So this is something to watch in the coming couple of weeks because they'll be reporting later this month. Of course, shares are not cheap, but investors don't really look at valuation for such high growth companies. Their style score for value is F, but the score for growth as well as for momentum is A, because investors are paying for future growth potential, and that is why shares continue to make new highs.
Okay, do either of you own these stocks
I own Amazon in my personal portfolio.
in your personal
Don't,
portfolio?
but I have Amazon Prime and it's fantastic.
You're just a user.
5% back. My mom used tree trimming services from Amazon Prime the other day.
Wow.
Wow.
They're blowing
yeah.
up all over the place.
It saved you the job.
That's right. Well, I'm not going up a tree. Too big to be up climbing up trees.
You can get more information on these companies and others on our website, Zacks.com. All you need to do is get over to the homepage and peruse down the headlines. Link to it all right from there. With Dave and Nina, I'm Terry Ruffalo.